Welcome back to the place where we're testing every single mask on Amazon, including the AnanBros KN95. It doesn't say the name on here though at all, does it? It's on the listing though, maybe? Oh yeah, that's what it is. That's nice. That's what you get, and that's what shows up. That's cute. Okay, let's open it up and put it in our tester, huh? Shall we? Shall we here? Oh, look at that. Oh, that's great. Oh, and it's a 3D mask because it's in real life where things are 3D. Thanks for explaining reality to me, AnanBros. I like the individual packaging though. That's really nice. You can put that in your kid's lunch or something. I don't know. Whoa, this may be a real mask, folks. What? AnanBros. Did they have a real mask last time? We tested the adult KN95 before, and I don't remember if it was meeting standards or not. Last one did pretty well, so I would expect these guys to do pretty well. This is a PFE machine, Particulate Filtration Efficiency Machine. We're basically doing the N95 test. So they're almost following the standards of KN95. They're saying KN95, GB 2626-2019. All that jibber jabber is just talking about the kind of mask that this is. You also need to have the manufacturer's name, which is Jiangsu Liyu Razor Co. That's right. These guys pivoted from making the Gillette razors that you know and love into making masks. I'm just kidding. I don't actually know anything about the company. All right, let's check out the Earloops. Whoa, that's a new one. The Earloops are strong. It tore the mask, or the mask is weak. Love the individual packaging. It's got the instructions on each one, and it has the manufacturer name on each one, so that's not too bad. Try this on. Oh, cute. This is kid size for sure. Oh, this smells like Lollipops. It 100% smells like Lollipops. I just had one that smelled like strawberries, and I was like, I thought I was dying, but Eric verified it, and so Lollipops. They're doing something there for sure. But I'm not mad about it. All right, but does Lollipops matter? which, by the way, is the dance under that name. Does Lollipops matter if it doesn't protect you? I matter, okay? I'm more than just a dancer. 99.139. 99.139. Now, I did notice 200 pascals on the breathability. That's about twice what I want to see. So it's about twice as hard to breathe. Well, you want to see about 100 pascals. I can't do language right now. On the breathability for kids. That's my personal opinion. For me personally, I want to be under 150 pascals if I want to be breathing something for more than 8 hours. If you're giving this to a kid and they're going to use it, I mean, it's going to be hard for them to breathe in. So that's one thing. There are plenty of kids KN95 masks that are under 150, close to 100. We have N95 masks that are under 100 pascals that a kid could wear. So I think there are other options out there for you. But I mean, man, for marketing to kids, for the different colors, the best mask is one that they wear and delight in. AnanBros and Razor Co. You did a good job. Honestly, not mad about it. Thank you guys so much for checking this out. If you end up buying this mask because of this review, smash that like button, give me a subscribe, or come and live at my house for the next 35 years, rent-free. Because that's what it's like when you don't give me just a like. It's so easy. Come on, man. I'm just kidding. I'll catch you on the next test.